Is your home's exterior looking dirty? Sunshine State Power Wash is here to bring back the shine. We specialize in roof washing, house washing, fence cleaning, concrete cleaning, and professional paver sealing, removing dirt, mold, and grime to restore your home's beauty. Plus, our premium paver sealing protects against stains, fading, and weather damage. Right now, get 10% off paver sealing and take advantage of our 3-month interest-free financing. Don't wait, give the home the care it deserves. Call 813-895-5723 or visit sunshinestatepw.com for your free quote today. Sunshine State Power Wash, bringing sunshine back to your house.